Jack here, and I've got with me the Sportneer Military Lensatic Sighting Compass. This is a little survival compass, a hiking compass, and I think it's pretty cool. Let's take a look. So it's all metal on the outside, which is really nice. Comes with a neck loop string kind of lanyard thing that can go ahead and be tucked aside like that. Pops open as such. It has a nice glow-in-the-dark ring. You can slide this and move it around. It does have a level. It's got some measurement, standard inch and centimeters on the sides there, as well as a little sighting dot, which you're probably not going to see too well on camera, but that is really cool. I don't know a whole lot of compasses. I bought this to put inside of like an emergency bag, but if you take a look inside the pouch that comes with, there is a lot of different instructions. It goes through all the different points and features of the compass and talks you through how to use those, how to calculate distances and all of that. And even for a beginner like myself, this has been pretty easy to figure out how to use. The dimensions of the compass is about 3.3 inches by 2.5 inches by 1 inches. Weight is 0.39 pounds. And the compass is made in China. Now, do keep in mind, you cannot adjust the declination on this compass. So if you're looking for a compass that can do that, you might want to keep looking. But for most people, otherwise, I think this is a really solid option for a first compass, a camping compass, Boy Scouts, something like that, or just to have in a camping bag as a just-in-case item. That's why I got it. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.